I'll show you how to do a prank on a Rubik's Cube. Two things you need are a Rubik's Cube, some clear tape. It's going to want to take off a piece of clear tape, and you want to put it on the Rubik's Cube. I want to make sure it's really clean on there. As you see, the whole Rubik's Cube has like a glow to it, so this really doesn't stand out still. When it's like this, yeah. When it's like this, not really. And so you go to your friends or something and be like, hey, can you scramble this for me or mess it up? They'll be like, okay. And when they go to spin it, it won't work. It'll just pop on them or something. And yeah, that's how you do it. And then getting it off. Try to take it off. And getting off is somewhat easy. And yeah. Rubik's Cube, nothing wrong. And that's how you do it. And yeah. See y'all next video. Peace.